All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop, and I'm going to show you how to make your layer mask match your image after you liquify it. Pretty technical, not the easiest thing, but you're going to be able to do it like a pro in a second. Ready? I'm going to go to Liquify under Filter, and I'm just going to throw a quick Liquify on there. Whatever. You can use the brackets, left and right brackets, by the way, to make this bigger and smaller. Probably already know that, but if you don't, now you do. Okay, so we've got a little bit of liquefaction going on. Now you can see you know, the mask didn't go, so that's a bummer. But it can't. These are two different layers and two different methods. This is a raster image, and I don't think the mask is. So it's impossible, as far as I know, to do it without doing it this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to undo that, and then I'm going to bust over here to my actions, and I'm going to do a new action. And if you don't know where actions is, it's up here in window. Just pull down to actions. New action, and now it's in record mode. So if you know what actions are, you're good. If you don't, you're gonna learn this one too real quick. So I'm gonna go back to Liquify, and now I'm gonna do that again. Right? Okay. I'm trying to speed this along for you all. Here we go. So now we did the same thing. So I'm going to stop this action. Now I'm going to go back to my layer here, and I'm going to click the mask. I'm going to go down here to the action. I'm going to play it. I'm going to zoom in so you can see this. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's play this. See that? So what that did was it recorded the liquify on the original layer, and then it just played what I did to that layer on the mask itself. So your mask is now perfect. Watch, I'm going to command click and get your your selection there. See that? So there we have it. And you disable it, and you're back in business. So hopefully that helped. I'm pretty sure it did because it took me 30 years to figure that out. I'm not exaggerating. So let me know if it helped in the comments. Make sure to hit like. Thanks.